Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, today I'm going to make a video on Illumina because there is absolute breaking news which seems to have acted as a catalyst, at least at the time that I started writing the script for this video. Very recently we heard, just 44 or 50 minutes ago, we heard that Fluent Biosciences, which is a single cell analysis company, was acquired by Illumina, and that seems to have been a catalyst. I'm going to talk about this. I'll show you the price chart, our double bottom target and where we are with relation to that, and what Fluent Biosciences is all about and what this merger means. So with that said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. Illumina has acquired Fluent Biosciences, a pioneering company in single cell analysis and multi-omics research, and this acquisition seemed to be serving as a significant catalyst today, propelling Illumina towards its double bottom price target, pivotal point for the investors eyeing the DNA sequencing giant's stock market performance, just like I do on a regular basis in this very channel. Let me take you to the price chart and jog your memory. Here we are in the TradingView platform, and what you're seeing here is the Illumina price chart. Each of the candle is a one-day candle, and you'll see here we had a huge gap up opening, and I attribute the gap up opening to the acquisition of this company by Illumina, and it kind of is I think a short-term catalyst, for the lack of a better terminology. Fluent Biosciences brings a lot of single cell analysis capability to Illumina, and you can see that suddenly we had a spike in momentum, and we also had MACD strengthening and becoming more bullish. It's a dark greener right now. We also have earnings coming up in the horizon on 6th of August, and there are a lot of positives about this particular acquisition. I'm really happy to see things moving along. Our price target here is 114.61 for Illumina, and we are marching towards it. Since we gapped up and opened higher during the day, the candle is looking red, but overall we have gained 4.39% today, which is $4.68 on a share price of 111.36. So with that said, let me walk you through this acquisition. Well, despite divesting from Grail last month and learning a very painful lessons from the regulators like FTC and EU regulatory authorities, Illumina has not shied away from strategic mergers and acquisitions. We today have news that Fluent Biosciences, a company launched in 2018 with technology developed by the University of California, San Francisco, represents Illumina's next bold step to expand its capabilities in single cell research, and it was acquired by Illumina today. Fluent Biosciences was previously backed by Illumina's independent venture capital arm, along with other investors such as Samsara Biocapital, Civilization Ventures, Covin Ventures, and VC23. Fluent Biosciences has made significant strides in single-cell RNA and nuclei isolation with its innovative PIP sequence approach, which is short for pre-templated instant partitions. This technology can sort out and label complex cell mixtures without the need for microfluidic consumables, facilitating more efficient next-generation sequencing. In late May, Fluent released its latest platform, PIP-Seq 5, which can quantify molecules and detect individual cell types from samples ranging from 100 cells to over 1 million cells. Illumina's Chief Technology Officer, Stephen Barnard, emphasized the potential of this acquisition by explaining that single-cell research opens doors to new areas of discovery, and Fluent's innovative, accessible, and flexible single-cell method will accelerate Illumina's ability to deliver full multi-omics solutions to the customers. And currently operating as a wholly owned subsidiary, the Fluent team will eventually be integrated into Illumina. The PIP-SEQ platform will be incorporated into Illumina's product portfolio, with plans to develop it into an end-to-end solution for single-cell analysis. This integration is expected to bolster Illumina's offering, providing customers with advanced tools for comprehensive multi-omics solutions. And if you were to put yourself in the shoes of Illumina's customers, Just imagine they already have Illumina hardware and they're using Illumina consumables. Now they have one extra solution which can expand their own horizon of offerings and analysis. So I think overall it's a win-win situation. While the financial details of this acquisition remains undisclosed, Illumina has confirmed that the deal was closed and funded with cash in hand, which means no equity dilution, no borrowing, nothing. It's all been done with cash in hand. Fluent Biosciences had previously established collaborations to ensure compatibility with DNA sequencers from Ultima Genomics, Singular Genomics, and Element Biosciences, including projects supported by National Institutes of Health. Illumina has committed voluntarily to maintaining and supporting Fluent's existing single-cell partnerships, emphasizing its dedication to fostering an open NGS platform. But we still have to wait a little bit to see how the competition authorities react to this. Maybe they don't react in any way because this is not such a big component like Grail was, but time will tell. But right now, Illumina has learned its lesson and it seems to be doing things properly. Illumina's CTO Bernard also reiterated Illumina's vision by saying, and I quote, "Our goal is to continue to develop the sequencing ecosystem and support the best multi-omics solutions like single-cell analysis. We want customers to have the flexibility to adapt the tools that best fit their needs." And I think that's an aspirational statement, and Illumina is trying its best to live up to its vision and aspirations. So in conclusion, I would say that Illumina's acquisition of Fluent Biosciences represents a significant catalyst that is likely to boost the company's stock towards its double bottom price target, as I showed to you in the price chart before. And by enhancing its single cell analysis capabilities and expanding its product portfolio, Illumina is well positioned to drive innovation and maintain its leadership in the genomics market. This strategic move underscores Illumina's commitment to advancing multi-omics research and providing its customers with cutting-edge tools for scientific discovery. And also I see this as the first sign that Illumina, post-Grail divestiture, is back into the game and is going to look at consolidating its position in the industry and making incremental gains. Well, friends, that was the scoop from me. And please let me know what you think of Illumina. Do you have it in your portfolio? And my contention is that this catalyst, the blip, will not be long lasting. The share price will start coming down again, but I suspect that we have got a leg up towards the double bottom target, price target. And if the interest rates do get cut in September, I think all stocks will see a move upward. Right now, the Mag 7, which is leading the market, is under a lot of stress, and I think all the technicals point towards overbought position. It's pointing towards RSI being overbought. It's also pointing towards a potential fall in momentum and a MACD which is moving towards the signal line in a general context. When that happens, there are two things that are possible. Either the money taken out from there will come into genomics and other areas, or maybe people will divert to more safety by putting it into utilities and staples consumables, so that they can preserve the value, assuming that there's going to be a mild recessionary effect coming up. So with that, my friends, I'd like to bring this video to an end. Looking forward to your comments. Bye for now.